this video, we're going to take a look about how we can install Windows Server operating system on the virtual machine. This enable you to be able to configure it and add new user on in the server system. So what we're going to take a look is related with how to install it. First of all, you need to download it. After you download, make sure you download it, and then you see it's a product key. You can copy it, then you paste it somewhere so that you will use it later. For me, because I have downloaded and copied this product key here, we're going to continue with installation. So make sure also you have your VirtualBox machine. What you do is to create here new VirtualBox. Let's give name server 22. Then you click next. You click next. Make sure that you can use this window 19. Then you click next. It is okay. Seems like we have this one. Let's call it server 1. Let's call it server 1. So here we go. If you want, you can select the default, or you customize your hardware depending to what kind of memory that you want to use in the CPU. For me, let's continue with the default. Also, because the VirtualBox, it do not require a lot of gigabyte, so let's use 76. Then you click next. So after you see these details, you can check away all those details related with what you have configured before. Then you click finish. So once you click finish, this server cannot start operating or working without our downloaded file. That's why you can just click here on your storage. We're going to install it as CD. We're going to install it as CD, not SAT. Here you're going to install as it is on the CD. Then here you choose where the file is located. For me, it is in the download. This is where the file is located. Then you click OK. You click OK. Now we can start our server. It takes a little bit. Okay. Now we have it. Okay, the language to install, just select English if it is your preferred language, or if it is not, you can select other language. For me, it's fit with what I want. Then you select setup. Start installing. Now it is just starting to install itself. So you remember that we have obtained the product key and we save it somewhere. So because we are about to use it, it was sure that we are going to use it. Now it's time to use our product key. NB 8Q2 PK BW WP GP GPW8 CPW 38. Then you click next. Okay, on this part you select Windows Server, data center desktop experience. Then you accept terms and condition. Here you install it by customization. So instead of doing a lot of things, here you can click next. Then it start installing itself. So it's going to take a little bit. You have to be patient until it reaches on 100%. It's almost finished. Now we are done. It's finished. Let's wait for finishing up. Yeah, it takes a while it is stirring itself. So installing Microsoft Server operating system takes a while, as also the operating system does. So it is normal, you have to be patient. Okay, here we go. Yeah, you have to be patient. It takes a little bit. Okay, now it's almost finished. It's just rebooting itself. Yeah. Okay, it's time to set a new password. So about username, you don't have to change it because you already know that you are an administrator. So you can customize your password. Let's use admin1, admin1, admin1. So we finish our configuration, our installation. Now we are done with our Windows Server operating systems. To this part, you need to unlock it. When you try to use your machine keyboard, it will not work. What you do, you come here on the input, then you allow your keyboard input, then you select Control plus Alt plus Delete, direct it to open up itself. Then you put password admin1. Now our system, operating system, is working well. Okay, now we have our Windows Server operating system. So as you look, it looks like normal server system, but just wait a little bit. You're going to see the difference from the Windows 10 or Windows 11. This one is a Windows Server operating system. It's not Windows 10 or Windows 11. Yeah. So as you see, it directly bring the server part that server administrator can deal with, that uh, network engineer or security engineer will be dealing with during the configuration. So this time we can start configuring our server window operating system. So I think that's it. Let's meet next time while we are configuring the adding different roles within our server operating system.